In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Figma. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and open the project you're working on. Make sure the image you want to fade is already on the canvas and sized the way you want it. It's best to finalize the image position now, because once the fade is applied, you'll be focusing on fine-tuning the gradient rather than moving elements around. Next, add a rectangle. Click the Shape tool, choose Rectangle, and draw it so that it completely covers your image from edge to edge. If it helps, zoom in for precision and use the canvas guides to snap to the image corners. With the rectangle drawn, right-click it and choose Send to Back. This keeps the image visible while you set up the gradient so you can clearly see what you're adjusting. With the rectangle selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. In the Fill section, click the color swatch and change the fill type from solid to gradient. Select a linear gradient for a clean directional fade. You'll see two gradient handles on the color bar. Click the first handle and set it to solid black at 100% opacity. Then click the second handle and reduce its opacity to 0%. Keeping both handles black but changing the second one's opacity creates a smooth transition from fully visible to fully transparent, which is exactly what we want for a fade. On the canvas, you'll also see a gradient line. Drag the endpoints to place the fade where you want it. For example, move the line vertically for a top-to-bottom fade, or rotate it for a side-to-side effect. The closer the handles are, the sharper the fade. The farther apart, the smoother and longer it appears. Now highlight both the rectangle and the image together. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will turn the rectangle into a mask, using its transparency to reveal the image where the gradient is opaque and gradually hide it where the gradient goes to 0. If the fade is going in the wrong direction, simply swap the gradient handles or rotate the gradient line until it looks right. You can always edit the fade later. Just select the mask group, double-click into the rectangle, and adjust the gradient stops or their opacity. This non-destructive approach lets you refine the look without altering your original image. And that's it. You've faded an image in Figma using a gradient mask with full control over direction, intensity, and placement.